What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over how to mine Aeon. I had a couple requests to make this video, so here we go guys. Aeon is currently ranked 113th on CoinMarketCap, and at the time making of this video it's just over 9 cents or just over 1,000 satoshis. First thing we're going to look at is the Aeon website, doan.com. You guys can go through it, read about it, go through the blog, and learn a little bit about Aeon. We won't be wasting your time today learning about it, but when you guys have free times and you're interested in mining it, go ahead on their website and learn about them. So what we're going to need from their website is the docs down here, just for one specific reason. So this is what it's going to open. You're going to click on wallet, Aeon desktop wallet. It's going to ask you Linux, Mac, or Windows. You can click on Windows, close that up. It's going to give you a tutorial how to install it, or you can just scroll down here at the GitHub, and this is where the wallet is. Current wallet for Aeon is v1.2.3, so make sure you guys check often if you have it on a desktop to make sure it's up to date. So besides wallet, what we're gonna need for this is Gminer. I've been using Gminer for a couple of other coins. We're going to use it again here for Aeon. So I have Windows. I will be downloading the Windows 64 zip. All you're going to do is just click on it. You can save as wherever you want. You guys can see I already have it downloaded, but you can save it on your desktop. That's where I like to save my stuff, and that's where you're going to extract it as well. It's going to save as a zipped file. So once we have the miner downloaded, before opening it, we have to figure out what pool we're going to use to mine it. So if we go to mining pool stats/stream/Aeon, there's a couple of different pools. Looks like the one with the most hash rate will be aeonpool.tech, and also the network hash rate is currently 1.1 msols, and they're running 292 on their pool alone. I'm sure there's some unknown and everything else. So we're going to be using aeonpool.tech. If you guys want to try any other ones, that's completely up to you. I'm going to use aeonpool for this video. So once you go to aeonpool.tech, you're going to go to dashboard. You're going to see a couple of different things, and this is where we're going to be inputting our address to see us mining. But what we're going to need is to connect, and we're going to need a couple of things. We're going to need our port, and we're going to need our server. So we have North America, Europe, and Asia, but if you can see down here, it popped up and says to use the cluster.aeon.tech. So you can copy and paste this, and you can read this as small miner 1 GPU plus rigs. You can use 222 port for normal miner, 3 GPU plus rigs 3333. But it says here to mine our pool, please use this one, port 33. If you're a bigger miner with 15k souls, and now please use 444. So we're going to use the cluster.aeon.tech, and we're going to use the 3333. So now that we're all done with this, we're going to go ahead and leave this one. We're going to go ahead and open Gminer, guys. Upon opening Gminer, you can see all the different coins that it mines, but we're only interested in Aeon for this video. So right click it and edit. Leave everything the way it is. You can go ahead and paste your server that you copied from the Aeon pool tech, and also the port. I already have that set up. And the only other thing that you're going to have to change in here is obviously the address that you want to mine to, because if you don't change it, you won't be mining it to your wallet. So after this is all done, you're going to go ahead and close and save it. And the last thing that's left is double clicking on it and starting to mine. So while this is loading up, we're going to go ahead and open MSI Afterburner and do some adjustments, guys. Once the MSI Afterburner is open, you can play with this however you like, but this is the best setting I found. I believe it runs at about 70 watts. And we're going to see down here what it does for hash rate. Obviously for Aeon, we're going to have to give it a couple of minutes just to see where it stops. So while this is running, we're going to go ahead and open aeonpool.tech. We're going to input our address so we can see our miner mining there. So once you have your wallet that you're mining to, you're going to go ahead and copy and paste it into wallet address under my dash and hit load my wallet. Currently pending shares is 0, pending balance, all that stuff. We're just waiting for that miner to give us some data. So we're currently running at 51 Celsius on our 52 on our card, 70 watts at about 135 souls. I had at 146 souls and 70 watts. Right now I am using OBS to record this video. We got the MSI burner off there and the Internet Explorer, so this knocked it down a little bit for us, but we're gonna give it a couple more minutes to see what it does for you guys. Looks like we're gonna leave it at this 70 watts, 136 souls. I'm sure if we weren't using all the stuff on the computer, like I said earlier, it would be in the 145, 146, like I was able to get it. So now that we have a couple of shares accepted, oh there it goes, it's going up to 137 now. Now that we have a couple of shares accepted, now I can show you my dashboard on aeonpool.tech. So a couple of things I need to explain to you. Instant payouts for balance of 1 Aeon. So once you reach 1 Aeon, it'll pay out. Also as well, pool takes 2% fee for mining with them. So if you can see down here, it says pending shares, miner hash rate. Over here is pending balance, paid out balance is 0, and we have 1 rig running currently. So I left this running for, I believe, 2 hours last night, just playing with some settings and OC settings, and I was able to get 0.2 Aeon, which is not bad at all, especially that it's now at 9 cents. So I think with one single 1616 Ti that I'm using for this project, we can make a decent amount on it. If you guys would like to see some OC settings with the MSI Afterburn on their 1616 Ti mining on Aeon, I can make a couple of videos of that just like I did on Raven Coin, or if you guys want to see the profits as well, I can do that. Besides that, that's it for Aeon, guys. Pretty simple. Gminer, change a couple of things, choose a pool, click and go. As always, guys, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you have questions, leave a comment below. Anything else, let me know, guys. And as always, have a wonderful day.